It's a company that's in a really fast developing industry.
It is the depth of our knowledge that stands out in the industry.
I love Spitfire.
The sales and technical training here is the best in the industry. It is very thorough, very in-depth, and by the end of it, our staff are really comfortable in their knowledge of what they're doing in their day-to-day role.
The depth of training is unbelievable, actually. We know we get far better training here than our competitors.
I think that where we stand out in the industry is that our sales staff are so technical. We can really back up what we're saying with understanding of what we're doing.
It is important to do that kind of training, but it's also rewarding and very exciting, the fact that you get all that training in the role.
I just think it's very nice to come out of university when you don't really have an idea about what you want to do, to go into an organisation that really does put a lot of effort and investment in each person.
Technology industry is always changing. Companies are reliant on their technology, especially now more than ever. So it's a good industry to get into.
They really do make sure that their staff are really well trained. They offer you qualifications which are industry recognised.
You do not get caught on a conveyor belt and through a graduate programme. We listen to you and we develop and encourage our graduates to speak up and ensure their voices are heard.
The level of training that you receive, you're not thrown in at the deep end and you really do feel like you're supported.
We are looking for new graduates to join Redditch. It's an exciting time for Spitfire. The company is only going from strength to strength.
It's a really stable company. It is growing. It is constantly sort of changing and evolving, and you'll be able to change and evolve with it.
With Spitfire, it's a role where you are always learning.
We covered a lot of technical side, which I really enjoyed. So we learned how networks actually work, learned how to put together a network diagram, and then moved into kind of the engineering side, like how a network works.
We then had some software development training, which was actually really interesting. I'd never done anything like that before.
We learned how to program in C and learned how to program in Python as well.
And helped me, coming from not a very technical background, to kind of understand and be able to implement solutions that I actually understand how they work.
One of the biggest highlights of Spitfire is the development and the opportunities that you have.
Promotion is a big thing here as well, and people are rewarded very well for hard work here.
I'm now running for my second promotion already. I have only been here for 18 months. There's a clear path of where you can progress.
Spitfire have trained and seen me through that the whole way through. All the difficult things that a manager has to deal with, Spitfire have provided training and continue to provide training.
The incentives are really good. They generally run either monthly or quarterly for whole teams or individuals. It changes all the time, so it keeps it nice and fresh.
It's really a case of everyone sort of striving for their own targets, for the team targets, and also for the company's targets as well.
It's a fantastic environment, both inside the office and outside the office. We do quite a lot of activities together.
Most places in London that you could possibly be living, getting into work is so quick and easy.
During the business hours, everyone's working hard and there's a good environment and a good buzz in the office.
Definitely a nice building to be in.
It's not really the kind of classic place you think when you think technical or IT. It's the complete opposite. It's really fun and lively.
Everyone loves the working environment here, and most importantly, everyone knows everyone. It's very friendly. It's a really nice place to work.
It's really vibrant and fun. You make some great friends. I've made friends for life here.
If you're looking for somewhere to work hard, get good rewards, paid well, nice environment, there's nowhere else to live really.
If you are interested in developing your career, having a fantastic in-depth knowledge of what you're doing and being challenged every day, Spitfire is an excellent place to build your career.